Hi everybody, how are you guys all doing today? I hope that you guys are all doing amazing. My name is Tracy and you're watching me here at Tracy Monster on YouTube. You can also find me at Tracy Monster Savings on Etsy as well as on Instagram, where you'll find a ton of really super fun money savings challenges that will help those of you who are looking to add to your sinking funds, or for those of you who are looking to pay off debt, or for those of you who are looking to save money for that next big purchase that you have coming up in your life. But before I get started in today's video, I always like to start my videos off by saying thank you to each one of you for taking the time to click on that play button and give me the opportunity to share these types of videos with you. So thank you so much for being here today, and thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube community. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into today's video because I have a super fun savings challenge that I just uploaded to my Etsy shop, and I would love to introduce you to it. So if you are using a digital device, such as an iPad, like what I use, and you have the Goodnotes app, then the For the Love of Coffee Savings Challenge, which is a digital savings challenge for Goodnotes users, is all for you. And I am super, super excited for this savings challenge. I will personally be saving along with this because I just love the way that the design turned out. And so this is an interactive game, which makes it even more fun. And so with that being said, let's go ahead and dive on in. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and swipe to the left. And you'll see the main screen here for the Love of Coffee Digital Savings Challenge for Goodnotes. And so basically the way that this savings challenge works, for those of you who may have clicked on this video from the actual listing from my Etsy shop, the way that this savings challenge works is you are going to get your device's pin, in my case, the Apple pin, and you are going to click on the image tool right here, the little image. And then what you're going to do is you'll have all of these different cups of coffee. So you have the coffee bean, you have the coffee beans that have been ground up, and then the actual cup of coffee once it's been brewed. And I just absolutely loved it. And then you have all of these little coffee beans down below with the burlap behind it. So anyways, how this savings challenge works is you are going to select a cup of coffee, coffee grounds, coffee bean, just a cup of coffee in general, and you're going to click on that cup. So for instance, if I want to click on this little cup right here, I am going to delete that cup, and it will reveal a coffee cup stain that's below that cup with a number, either 1, 5, 10, or 20. And what you would do is you convert those into dollars. So in this case, I need to save $1 because I uncovered a number 1. So I can, once I get my money saved, I can either withdraw it from the bank and put it into a safe place here in my home, whether it's a binder, an album, or a cash envelope. Or like what I'm doing, since I'm doing digital savings this year, what you would do is you would take money out from your checking account and you would transfer it into a savings account. For me, I have a designated checking account where all of our paychecks go into, and then I will take out a certain amount, in this case $1, and then I will transfer it into another designated savings account for all of my savings challenges for 2025. So now that I have transferred my $1 into my savings account, when you swipe again, you have all of the rules of the game here on the very last page, in case you should need to be reminded on how to play this particular savings challenge. Now, if I want, I could also use these registers over here on the side. So let's just say, for instance, today is January 1st, and it is going to be week number 1. I am going to add $1 to my account or to my envelope, wherever it may be, wherever your safe place is, you're going to put $1. Once that is in its safe place and transferred, then you will go ahead and put $1 because that's how much you have saved. Okay, now let's say week 2 comes along or day 2 comes along. What you're going to do is you're going to repeat that pattern. So let's say, for instance, this time we want to reveal what's underneath this cup. So we're going to delete that, and now it is 5. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and swipe over. And let's say now today is the 8th of January, and now we are on week number 2. Okay, so from there, we needed to save $5. So we're going to put in $5 into our safe place. Once it's in its safe place, we are going to add 5 plus 1. That now brings you to a total of $6 on this savings challenge. So that's how easy the savings challenge is. Super, super easy. Again, you will be saving in increments of $1, $5, $10, and $20. Okay, so with that being said, everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoy this savings challenge during your savings journey. I am super, super excited to get started on this one myself. So without any further ado, thank you so much for being here all the way to the end. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell. That way, whenever a new video goes up on this channel, then you will be given a notification. Also, if you are watching from YouTube and you have not followed me over in my Etsy shop or taken a look around, I would love to invite you over to Tracy Monster Savings and take a look over there because I have over 300 listings for you to choose from. So anyways, everybody, thank you so much for being here all the way to the end. Have an amazing rest of the day, an amazing rest of the week. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy, have fun, and happy savings. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.